Well, hello there, everybody. Okay, so today we are going to talk about credit limits. And I'm actually going to log into no deals. Okay, so I'm going to log into a pro plan here because I think that's what most people are on. Okay, so let's talk about credit limits. A couple of ways to think about this. We could think about it either on the per person basis, or we could set it on the company wide basis. So if we come down here, right, we get a really good look at what we have. We have 3 users, we have unlimited email credits, we have 250 mobile credits per month, so on and so forth. And then we have a look at all of these here. Um, a newer kind of way of looking at this, and I'm not seeing the export credits here. Maybe they finally got rid of that. God, that'd be amazing. Okay, a newer way to look at that would be on the per person basis, right? So if we come in here and we go to users, we can actually put credit limits on each person. So if you have a team and say, hey, I really want them to do hyper personalized targeted messaging, and I think a good way to get in front of that would be, hey, you can't find more than, let's say, 100 people in a day, right? I don't do this with my clients because I kind of like the reps that are trying to push the limits a little bit. Pun. But we can come right in here. We can say, hey, email credit limit 250, mobile credit limit 100. We can go ahead and hit save, and then when that person tries to flood your system with requests, they'll be blocked. Now, as a manager, right, you can very easily come in here and either delete these, which is what I would recommend, but it's still important for everybody to know about it, or you can raise them, lower them, so on and so forth, and you can do that on each person's side. Okay, quick one, like I promised. Thanks. Bye bye.